On one moon in our solar system, you could fly like a bird. Meet Titan, Saturn's largest moon, and one of the most Earth-like worlds we've ever found. It's so big, it's practically a planet. And unlike Venus or Mars, Titan has a thick, calm atmosphere made almost entirely of nitrogen, just like Earth's. Here on Earth, our air is about 3/4 nitrogen and 1/4 oxygen. On Titan, it's pure nitrogen, no oxygen, but also no poison. The gas itself, totally safe to breathe, if only there were oxygen to go with it. But here's the wildest part. Titan's gravity is super weak, only about 1/7 of Earth's, and its atmosphere is 4 times denser than ours. So I did the math. A strong, athletic person wearing wings could actually fly by flapping their arms, just like a bird. No jetpack, no engine, just muscle, wings, and physics. On Titan, you wouldn't just walk, you'd soar.